Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe Z51 2LT in blade silver metallic on adrenaline red leather interior. So I'll just start over the trunk area, let you have a look. So this is the new mid-engine style Corvette, the C8. So the engine is placed here. It is a V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 495 horsepower with the Z51. And that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Nice and clean and tidy, as you can see. And further back, we have a trunk area here that has the cargo netting, and we do have the Corvette branded charger and the carbon flash metallic front license plate cover if you choose not to have a plate. And then the removable targa top does clip in here. So there's the bottom clip here, and here's the upper clip here, and same on the other side. So we'll just go ahead, we'll close this. It does have soft close, so I just simply press and it pulls itself shut. I'll step back a little bit. We've got the chrome badge package, we've got the Z51 spoiler, we've got the nice LED taillights, we've got the reverse sensors built into the bumper, and I'll also point out up here, so that's your rear view mirror camera, just right there. So when you flick the switch on the bottom of the mirror, you can either have the mirror or a screen which displays that camera. There's also a reverse camera right here underneath the rear plate. And then we've got the quad tip exhaust. So there's 2 ports over here, and there's 2 ports on this side. And it does have the NPP or the performance exhaust as well. So we'll shift around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got nice silver wheels. We've got red Z51 style calipers and nice Michelin tires on there. Over at the passenger side, we've got the nice black leather accented by the adrenaline red with the nice red stitch. We've got the Bose Performance Series stereo, and we've got 2 user memory for the passenger with a programmable exit seat as well. You've got your power windows and your power lock button there too. And we'll just move over to the passenger side. So have a look at the kick plate. It's in pretty good shape. And our power seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice GT2 seats. You've got the embossed Corvette logo there on the headrest, and the carbon fiber inlay is part of the GT2 seat. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll have a look. So to open the glove box, I just need to press the power button first, and there it is. So it does lock with the vehicle. We've got the books, they're still in the plastic in the pouch there as well. So it's got the leather bag, that's perfect. So we'll close that, and then we've got our vents for the passenger here as well. And just have a look at the condition of the dash over here on this side. It's in great shape, very neat design, looks good. So we'll hop out and we'll close this side of the car up. And I'll just start at the back and we'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great, nice deep dark tinted windows. Those are freshly done, and we also have the brow across the windshield as well. So here's your front wheel. We've got the nice silver wheels, red Z51 painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires. So we'll shift around to the front. Here it is in the front. So we've got the front trunk. So in the front trunk, you've got the 12-volt socket where you can plug in your Corvette branded charger, and we've got an emergency release if someone small does get stuck in there. We also have a pouch and a netting here on the front. We've got all the original brake coolers in the fuel filler tube down on the bottom there, and this is where you'd fill your windshield washer fluid. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the front trunk here, and I'll just step back so you can see. So it's got the nice LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. We've got the front curve view cameras with the 2LT, so there's one there, and there's one over here on this side as well. Those are handy when you're parking. This one also has the front lift, so you can press the button and the front end will raise up using air compression, so very cool. And I'll just have a close look here and see if there's any issues here that I'd like to point out. Looks pretty clean. What's this? Just a little fluff there, so nothing to be concerned about. One little mark there. It'll probably buff out. It doesn't look like it's through, but it is there. If we can't buff it out, we'll touch it up. We'll make it look the best we can. So we'll just move around here. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice silver wheels, red painted calipers with nice Michelin tires on there, and same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move up to the driver's side. So on the driver's side door here, we've got our power mirrors, power folding mirrors, power windows, our Bose Performance Series stereo, 2 user memory for the driver, as well as a programmable exit button, our electronic door release, our power locks, and our 2 releases for the front and rear trunk. And again, that nice red baseball stitching looks great. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side, so you can see. So it's in fair condition. There is 1 scratch here on the kick plate. I mean, it is a kick plate, so it's doing its job. Outside of that, it looks fantastic. So here's your power seat controls. You got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, and lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 4,800 on the button. So no warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over here we have our Z button. So this is the performance button, which will also change the tone of the exhaust on command, which is nice. We've got our cruise control buttons, our favorites or track change down below. And then over on this side, we've got our volume control, and we've got our arrow keys. Arrow keys work the dash, so they give you, controls to your options, simplify, or we can go back, maintenance, audio, performance, and trip computer is all controlled here. Beside that, we've got telephone and voice command controls, and then we have our heated steering wheel button here as well. You've got paddle shifters, so plus and minus over here on this side, and then we'll just move around here. There's your push button start, and here's our radio, so I'll click home. So you've got performance data recorder, it's got Amazon Alexa, climate control, there's your cameras, so front cameras, rear camera, and I'll click home again. So we've got nav, so you got full factory navigation, which is nice. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, so lots of cool things. And then just below that, here's your shifter, so park, reverse, neutral, drive, manual mode, and then back to park. In the front, you got traction control on and off. Here's our front lift button, so when I press it, the car goes up. Not sure you can see that on camera, but it does move up. And then beside it is a quick button for the front cameras, and then we've got our mode selector here. So this is when you twist this up on the dash, you get sport, touring, my mode, weather, so that's all controlled by just twisting this one up here. And then we've got our climate controls. So this is the driver's temperature up here, or excuse me, yes, this is the driver's up the top, driver's heated and cooled seat. You can sync the 2 seats, which they are right now, or as I just did, you can unsync them, and then I can change the temperature independently for my side. And then down on the bottom here is the passenger side, in passenger heated and cooled seat controls. We've got our cup holder with our key. I'll let you have a look and see what the key looks like. So it has lock, unlock, remote start, trunk, front and rear, and a panic button on it. So that's cool. And then here's your rear view mirror. So this is what I was saying when we were behind the vehicle. Right now it's a mirror. If I flick it, it uses that camera, and now it's a camera screen. And then up top, you've got your OnStar buttons. And then in the center console here, we've got auxiliary in, USB in, and USB-C in. And right here is a spot for your phone. So it's actually a wireless charger built in. And then it's got the nice Bose speaker grill there up top. So we'll just hop out with it running, have a look and listen. Great sound to it, nice bark. So I'll just show you the front with the headlights on. There it is. And we'll just move along the driver's side so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Nice LED taillights. Nice rumble to the exhaust. have it, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z51 2LT in blade silver metallic here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.